Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am yet again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got kurtis for you guys. You know that festival seasons are around the corner, so I thought let me get some of the kurtis for you guys. So I'm super excited to show you guys what all I have got. And also guys, next month I'm planning like different contents. I know you guys are a little bored, like you have been seeing jewelry haul and kurta haul most of the time, but I'm planning different content so that I cater to all kind of audience here. So I'm super excited, and without any further delay, let's start the video. Before that, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first kurti which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is in black color, and this is like a cord set. This is how the top looks like. They have given a v-neck for this one, and I got it in medium size. So by the way, all the kurtis I got it in medium size, and this is like more than 3/4 sleeves. I think it's full sleeves. You can also see in the try on video, and all over the dress you get the same prints. I really like this one because it is cotton. I mean, it's cotton blend, and it's very comfortable on the skin. And this is how the pant looks like. They have given a very good elastic, and there is no pockets for this, guys. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Really nice dress. It's a cord set, so you can also check out my try on video how this one looks like. Let me tell you guys what is the price. Okay, I'm not able to open this one, so it's showing some error, but anyway, I'll provide the product links in the description box. I think it's below 500 rupees, I'm very sure. I really like the quality of this dress. It's like cotton blend. I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can go for it. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is also a cord set, and this is one of my favorite, guys. I really like this one. It looks really nice on my body type. This is how the top looks like. They have given a closed neck, and I got it in medium size. You guys can see this is from the brand Sakashi. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. You guys can see like they have given a very beautiful print, and it's such a lovely dress, and the material quality is really nice. I think it's like cotton blend or rayon fabric. Let me check and tell you guys. And this is how the bottom looks like. They have given a very good elastic, and again there is a pocket, I guess. No, there is no pocket for this one as well, and they have used the same cloth for the bottom as well. So it's such a beautiful dress. You can also check out my try on video, and let me see what is the price of this particular dress. The price of this particular dress is 499 rupees, and definitely you'll get some discount when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay. And also on 27th of September there is a sale also. You guys can buy this stuff if you guys like it. So the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is like a function wear kurta, or you can also wear it on festivals. This is how the kurta looks like. I really like the color. It's like mehendi color, I guess. I got it in medium size, and this is how the sleeves looks like. And let me show you in the front properly. They have given a very neat embroidery work, as you guys can see. It's really neat, and in between they have given this kind of embroidery work. Behind it's quite plain. Let me go to the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. In the front they have given this clean finish, and behind you get this elastic. So it's a nice pant. I mean, the fitting is really nice. It's not tight fit pant, it's like a narrow fit pant, and it doesn't stick to your body. You feel very comfortable wearing it, and there's also a pocket. So really nice stuff. And they have also given a dupatta for this. Okay, they have given a contrast dupatta for this. I really like that. This is how the dupatta looks like. They have given a dark dupatta with this pearl work, and yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. In the ends you get this kind of work. Let me tell you guys what is the price. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 807 rupees, and as I told you guys, you'll get some kind of discount when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay. But I really like this one, and they also have like two more colors. They have it in dark pink color, and one is in purple color. So I really like this stuff. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. Okay, the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a simple dress. It's not like a function wear. This is like a kurta set. This is how the top looks like. They have given a lace finish in the front, and you can see like they have given a v-neck. Again, I got it in medium size, and they have given like almost full sleeves for this one. And all over the dress you get this kind of prints. It's such a beautiful dress. And let me show you the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. There's a good elastic, and there's no pockets for this one. It's a quite it's not like narrow fit also, it's quite straight narrow. I'm not really sure guys what fit is this, but it's really comfortable. And let me show you the dupatta. I've used the same cloth as a pant. So this is how the dupatta looks like. You can also see the try on video, but I'm just showing you guys. In the ends you get this kind of prints, and in between you get this kind of prints. It's such a beautiful dress. I mean, it's quite simple, and for daily wear I think you can definitely go for it. I'm not really sure like what is the material. Let me check and tell you guys. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 576 rupees, and there is like 20% discount, and you have like almost all the sizes here. And again, it's a cotton blend. It's not completely cotton. They have mentioned it as cotton. It's not cotton guys, it's cotton blend. And I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. Let's move on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is in a mehendi green color. This is how the top looks like. They have given a lining till here, till your tummy. This is how the front embroidery looks like. They have given a very neat, embroidery in the front. Again, I got it in medium size. They have given almost like full sleeves. I think it's full sleeves only, and it's quite plain dress, and behind also it's quite plain. You get embroidery work only in the front. So very simple dress. If you guys like simple dresses, I think you can go for it. And in the front you get this kind of finishing. Behind they have given this kind of elastic work, and there's no pockets for this guys. It's a quite narrow fit pant, and there's also a dupatta for this. This is how the dupatta looks like. One thing I didn't like is behind they have given this kind of I don't like if the dupatta is like this. I feel like they have just used some dress ka material. I feel like that. And nonetheless the dress looks really beautiful. You can see like they have given this kind of border, and all over the dupatta you get this kind of prints. And guys, please ignore background noise. Kids are playing outside, and yeah, this is how it looks like guys. Very beautiful dress again. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 1076 rupees, and they have like one more color in this. You guys can see they have like blue color. I really like the blue one as well. I would recommend it. If you guys want it, you can definitely go for it. I really like the dress. And let's see, they have not given what material is this, but I think it's like silk blend, because I have got similar dresses before also, so I can make out like what material. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. Okay, let me show you this one first. This is a simple dress, and again this is a cord set guys. This is how the top looks like. They have given a v-neck, and again I got it in medium size. In the sleeves they have given this kind of finishing. So yeah, all over the dress you get this bright blue color prints, and I really liked it. But one thing is, this is not cotton, it's like cotton blend, so it's not very comfortable during summer. That's what I feel. And this is how the bottom looks like. They have given a good elastic, and yeah, this is a quite narrow fit pant. I really like the prints on this pant. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 595 rupees, but I don't feel it's worth because I did not like the quality, and the product is out of stock as well. But they have it in different color. They have it in green color as well. If you guys like it, I'll provide the product links in the description box. Let's move on to the next one. The next one which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. By the way, this is the last dress of this haul, and I've ordered few more stuffs, guys. I don't know, they are taking too long to deliver it, but I have to upload this video today itself. So yeah, this is how the next dress looks like. They have given a very beautiful embroidery work in the front. I got it in medium size again. So yeah, this is how the dress looks like. You can also see in the try on video, and in between they have given this kind of embroidery work. They have given this subtle gold finishing that looks really nice on this particular color, and I really like this one, guys. And behind it's quite plain. Let me show you the pant. Okay, this is how the pant looks like. They have given a good elastic, and in the front they have given this kind of finishing. This is also like a narrow fit pant. And coming to the dupatta is one of my favorite, and it's quite long. This is how the dupatta looks like. Just look at it, guys. It looks so beautiful. I mean, you can definitely wear this to functions, I feel, and festivals anyway you can wear it. In the ends you get this kind of finishing. I really like it. You can see how it reflects. So such a nice dress. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 1026 rupees. I think it's really worth because the dress itself looks really grand, and you can definitely wear it to functions. So I would recommend it. If you guys like it, you can definitely go for it. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye-bye.